Hey, welcome back to the channel. So, if you're watching this, I already know what's on your mind. You're looking for a Hostinger coupon code, right? Maybe you've been scrolling through the internet and stumbled across a 10% discount somewhere. Honestly, that's not bad. But here's the thing, why settle for 10% when you can actually get 20% off? Yep, you heard that right. And I'm going to show you exactly how to grab it. I've got a special link down in the description that automatically applies a 20% discount coupon for you. The best part, it works for all countries in your local currency and language. So no matter where you're watching from, this deal is for you. No sketchy codes, no copy pasting. It just works like magic. The moment you click through, once you land on Hostinger's official website, head up to the nav bar and click on products and services. You'll see everything they offer: cloud hosting, web hosting, their website builder, and even Hostinger business email. There's a lot to explore, but for today's demo, I'm jumping into Hostinger VPS hosting to show you how smooth this whole process is. Inside VPS hosting, you'll find different plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm going ahead with the KVM2 plan for this demo and watch what happens at checkout. Boom, the 20% discount is already sitting right there, automatically applied. No extra steps needed. Just one quick tip before you go ahead: always use a fresh email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before, because new accounts tend to get the best deals. If this helped you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It genuinely means the world to this channel. See you in the next one.